Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll attempt to draw this portrait of football sensation Cristiano Ronaldo. He also happens to be my favorite football player. I have particularly selected this portrait because of the light and shadows in this portrait. So it will be fun to recreate that in on paper. Now, if we observe carefully, the areas of the face which are in light and the areas which are in darkness or shadow are a bit different from the regular portraits which we do, where light is cast on the face. Specifically, if you note the bridge of the nose, which is usually the most reflective part of the face, but in this case, it is the darkest. So to determine the source of light is a big question mark in this portrait. But after careful observation, I have come to the conclusion that the light is projected basically from below, from near his feet. So that is the reason why the lower part of the face is in light and the upper part is a bit dark. So this is the outline I have done with grid method. In case you want a tutorial on that, I'll leave a link in the I button. First I start applying charcoal powder to the background. Also similarly I have applied charcoal powder and also compressed charcoal stick on the hair part, except the highlighted areas, which I have kept a little light as compared to the other areas. The most important part in this case in drawing hair are the highlights. So this is how I am giving the highlights. I have used a Tombow mono eraser and I have tried to show individual hair strands. Then to make them a little more reflective, I have used a white charcoal pencil from the brand Generals on it. These highlights may not be an exact replica of the reference image, but basically the pattern of the hair, the direction of the hair strands should be similar. In the similar manner, I have done the entire section of hair. So these are the progression shots. So this is how it looks after completion of the entire section of hair. I have started the forehead part here. If you observe the reference image, there is a V-shaped area of darkness on the center of the forehead, and the two corners of the forehead are a bit light, which is the most rounded part. So I'm just trying to apply charcoal powder with my brush and trying to opt the desired values here. The eyebrow I have done with the help of black charcoal pencil, soft charcoal pencil by the brand Generals, and I have used a brush over it to slightly merge, and highlights are given with Tombow mono. Just observe how I am trying to opt the desired values with the help of various layers of charcoal powder. More the darkness required, more layers are applied with the brush. Now this is the area which I have tried to show it in close to real-time drawing. I am trying to give highlights on the foreheads. These are basically droplets of sweat on his forehead. So I'll try and show how I've done this. I have used a Tombow mono eraser and an electric eraser. I have just made irregular areas of highlights here. Then I've used a 7B black Staedtler pencil and I have tried to show shadows for these individual highlights. In the end, I've used a very soft makeup brush on it to make that area a little more softer in appearance. So this is how it looks after completion of that part. Similarly, I've done the opposite side of the forehead also. Of course, it looks a little more exaggerated here. Towards the end, I have slightly toned it down a bit. I've started with the eye here. I'll just show a time lapse of this eye, and I have shown a close to real time drawing of the other eye. So basically again I've used a black soft charcoal pencil and I've marked the upper and lower outlines of the eye. Also the eyeball I've done with the same pencil and also used a brush or a cotton tip over it. One small different thing here is a slight reflection in the eyeball which is seen, which has to be replicated properly. So you can observe here in real time how I'm trying to recreate this eye. The corners of the eye will be a little darker as compared to the center, so I have used a cotton tip coated with charcoal and I have used towards the corner of the eye, moving the tip from the corner towards the center. So this is how it looks after completion till this part of the sketch. We'll be continuing the remaining portion of the sketch in the next video. Please do hit the like button if you have liked this video. Also let me know in the comments how did you find the sketch up till here. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, so please do subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video with the remaining part of the sketch. Till then, take care. Bye bye.